What could this be? I don't know. Ooh, hair products. I love a good package with hair products in it because that is one thing I am lacking. So obviously this package is from L'Oreal and we have a Everpure sulfate-free moisture 21-in-1 spray. This is a multi-benefit leave-in nourishing detangler and heat protectant. That's a mouthful. That's a lot of words on the bottle. It says on here that it has 450-degree heat protection. Spray it on after washing your hair for instant detangling, and spray on dry hair before restyling for frizz control. So it's a multi-use product. I always like to test the scents. That smells really good, like very good. Then we have a little mini hairspray. This is the Elnet Extra Strong Hold. Has a soft touch, brilliant shine, lightweight, brushable hold, no crunch, not sticky, and gives a silky finish. Love all those things with extra hold because we don't want crunchy hair, but we want our style to last. Then we also have this from that same line. This is the Flexible Hold Slick Back Cream. Up to 24 hours of anti-frizz. I need this. Humidity resistance, brushable hold, no slick, no crunch. This is going to be amazing for slick back bun looks. Instead of just using a stick to just like slick back flyaways, to actually like sleek your whole hair back, I needed something like this. I'm really excited to give this a try. Oh my God, L'Oreal hair products smell so good. Then we have a Bond Repair Oil Serum. Repairs weak hair. 20% bonding care with complex citric acid. Prevents breakage as well as the leading $30 bonding oil. We know which one they're talking about. And hair looks and feels instantly less damaged. Should we try that right now? We have a little bit of dryness happening at the ends of my hair right here. Let's just do 2 pumps in the hand. It smells not as good as the other products. Not that it smells bad, but it smells more like product versus like perfumed product. Whoa. Am I crazy or did that actually make a huge difference? Like you still see that I have some split ends at the bottom, but my hair is now so silky and shiny and I feel like it's tamed a lot of the flyaways and my color looks richer. Ooh. Okay, I could totally see myself using this product very often. Thank you so much, L'Oreal. I cannot wait to use these.